the 2017 Kia Forte. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 45,000 kilometers. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.